Hello, everyone. Welcome to Educational Hub. Imagine you have a research presentation tomorrow and you don't know where to start. Slides empty, content confusing, and time running out. But what if I told you you can create a professional research presentation from start to finish using AI tools, faster, smarter, and better? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make a research presentation step by step using 5 powerful AI tools, starting from opening your browser all the way to delivering a complete presentation. Let's get started. All right, let's start with the very first step, setting up your workspace. First, open your browser. You can use any modern browser, but I recommend using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge because they are fast, stable, and support all AI tools smoothly. Once your browser is open, the next step is very important. You need to organize your workflow. So what I want you to do is open 5 different tabs. Each tab will represent one powerful AI tool that we'll use throughout this entire research and presentation process. Open your first tab and go to ChatGPT. This will help you generate ideas, outlines, scripts, and explanations. In the second tab, open SciSpace. This tool is extremely powerful for understanding research papers and simplifying complex academic content. Third tab, open Google Scholar. Here you will find authentic research papers, citations, and scholarly articles. Fourth tab, open Grammarly. This will help you correct grammar, improve clarity, and make your writing professional. And finally, in the fifth tab, open Canva. This is where you'll design your final presentation slides with a clean and modern look. Now, once all 5 tabs are open, your AI-powered system is ready. Think of this like your digital research lab. Each tool has a specific role, and together they will take you from zero to a complete professional presentation. In the next step, we'll start choosing your research topic using AI. Now it's time to move to the most important part, understanding your topic. Go to your first tab, ChatGPT. This is where the magic begins. In the search box, type this prompt. Explain the topic, impact of climate change on water resources in simple terms, and press enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will break down a complex academic topic into easy, understandable language. It will explain things like how climate change affects rainfall, why droughts and floods are increasing, how water quality is being impacted. This step is extremely important because it helps you clearly understand your topic, generate basic ideas, and build confidence before starting your research. Instead of feeling confused, now you actually know what you're working on. Now, once you understand the topic, we move to the next step. Ask ChatGPT another prompt. Create a research presentation outline with headings. Hit enter again. Now, ChatGPT will generate a complete academic structure for your presentation. You'll start seeing professional sections like introduction, literature review, methodology, results, and conclusion. Sometimes it may also include abstract, discussion, and references. Idea. This is very powerful because this outline becomes the backbone of your entire presentation. You don't need to think from scratch anymore. Now you have a clear roadmap, what to write, in what order, and how to present your ideas professionally. At this point, you've already completed what most students struggle with, understanding the topic and structuring the presentation. In the next step, we'll use research tools to find real academic papers and data to support your content. Now that you have your topic and structure ready, it's time to add something very important, real research data. Go to your third tab, Google Scholar. This is where you'll find authentic academic papers used by researchers and universities worldwide. In the search bar, type Climate Change Water Resources Research Paper. Press enter. Now you'll see a list of research articles, journals, and publications. Look for papers that have PDF links on the right side, recent publication years, preferably last 5 to 10 years, and relevant titles matching your topic. Open and download 3 to 5 research papers, PDFs. Don't worry if they look complex, that's normal. Now comes the smartest part of this workflow. Go to your second tab, SciSpace. This tool will completely change how you read research papers. Upload the PDFs you just downloaded. Within seconds, SciSpace will start analyzing them. Here's what it can do. Automatically summarize the entire paper, explain difficult academic terms in simple language, and highlight key findings, methods, and results. Instead of reading 20 pages, you get the main ideas in just a few minutes. But it gets even better. You can directly ask SciSpace, explain this paper in simple words, and it will break everything down like a teacher explaining to a student. This is extremely useful if you're a beginner, English is not your first language, or the paper feels too technical. This step alone can save you hours of reading and confusion. Instead of struggling with complex research language, you now have clear, simplified insights from multiple papers. Now you're not just making a presentation, you're building it on real academic research. In the next step, we'll turn these insights into powerful content for your slides. Now that you've understood your research papers, it's time to turn all that knowledge into actual presentation content. Go back to your first tab, ChatGPT. Now we're going to use it in a smarter way. Take the outline you generated earlier and give this prompt. Create presentation content for each slide based on this outline. Press enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete slide-by-slide breakdown. You'll start getting clear slide titles, bullet points for each slide, short explanations for better understanding. This basically gives you a ready-made draft of your presentation. But we're not done yet. The first output might still feel a bit too formal or detailed. So now refine it. Type another prompt. Create presentation content for each slide based on this outline. Now, ChatGPT will simplify the language, shorten long sentences, convert paragraphs into clean bullet points, and make it easier to present and explain. Now, your content is not just correct, it's also easy to speak and easy for the audience to understand. Never copy AI content directly into your presentation. Always follow these 3 steps. Edit, adjust the wording in your own style, verify, check facts using your research papers or Google Scholar, and understand. Make sure you actually know what you're presenting, because at the end of the day, AI is your helper, not your shortcut. If you rely on it blindly, your presentation will sound robotic, but if you refine it smartly, it will sound natural, confident, and professional. Now your content is ready. Now it's time to polish your content and make it sound truly professional. Go to your 4th tab, Grammarly. This tool acts like your personal editor. Now copy your presentation content from ChatGPT and paste it into Grammarly. Within seconds, it will start analyzing your text. Here's what Grammarly will do for you. Fix grammar mistakes automatically, improve sentence structure, enhance clarity and readability, replace weak words with stronger, more professional vocabulary. It doesn't just correct mistakes, it actually upgrades your writing style. For example, a simple sentence like, "Climate change affects water badly," can become, "Climate change significantly impacts water resources." See the difference? Now your content sounds more academic and confident. ID 1. This step is especially important for academic presentations, university assignments, research submissions, because even if your ideas are strong, poor grammar can make your work look unprofessional. One more smart tip. Don't just click Accept all changes. Take a moment to read the suggestions, understand why changes are made, and learn from your mistakes. This way, you're not just improving your presentation, you're also improving your English skills over time. Now your content is not only correct, it's clear, polished, and presentation ready. In the next step, we'll design beautiful slides using Canva. Now we move to the most exciting part, designing your final presentation. Go to your 5th tab, Canva. This is where your research turns into a professional visual presentation. First, click on Presentation. Now you'll see many ready-made design options. In the search bar, type Research Presentation Template. Press enter. Now browse through the templates and choose one that is clean, professional, easy to read, and not too colorful or distracting. Remember, in academic presentations, simplicity looks more powerful than decoration. Once you select a template, it's time to start building your slides. Slide-by-slide structure. Slide 1, title slide. Your research title, your name, optional, institution, or class name. Make it bold and clear because this is your first impression. Slide 2, introduction. Brief overview of the topic, why it is important, what your presentation will cover. Keep it short and simple. Slide 3. Problem statement. What issue you are addressing, why climate change and water resources matter, what challenges exist. Make it clear and impactful. Next slides. Now continue adding content that you generated earlier from ChatGPT. Break it into sections like literature review, methodology, results, discussion, and conclusion. Each slide should contain short bullet points, no long paragraphs, easy to read structure. Don't overload your slides with text. Instead, follow this rule. One slide equals one main idea. Use bullet points instead of paragraphs. Keep it visually clean. At this stage, you are not just creating slides, you are building a professional research presentation that looks like something used in universities and conferences. In the next step, we'll finalize your presentation and add finishing touches to make it stand out even more. Now let's take your presentation to the next level by adding professional visuals using AI tools inside Canva. Go again to your design workspace in Canva. This is where you can make your slides not just informative, but also visually powerful and engaging. First feature, Magic Design. In Canva, look for Magic Design. This feature automatically creates beautiful slide layouts for you. You just enter your topic or content, and it will suggest ready-made slide designs, match colors and fonts professionally, arrange content in a clean layout. It's like having a professional designer helping you instantly. Second feature, Text to Image. Now let's add powerful visuals. Find the option, Text to Image. This allows you to generate AI images just by typing a prompt. For example, type climate change water crisis illustration, or you can try drought, cracked land, and water scarcity due to climate change, realistic style. Now Canva will generate images based on your description. Why this is powerful? Instead of using boring or random stock images, you can now create custom visuals, topic-related illustrations, and high-quality presentation graphics. This makes your slides feel more modern and professional. Final result, by using these AI tools, your presentation becomes visually attractive, easy to understand, and highly engaging for your audience. Because people don't just remember words, they remember visuals and stories. Now your presentation is almost complete.
You can make this presentation more easy way with one AI tool. So first,
Open the official website of Gamma AI. Once you are inside, you will see a clean dashboard. Now click on Create with AI. Now it's time to enter your topic. Type Impact of Climate Change on Water Resources. For better results, you can also write Create a research presentation on the impact of climate change on water resources, including causes, effects, and solutions. Then click Generate. Now Gamma AI starts working instantly. Within seconds, it will create a full slide structure, write professional content, organize headings and sections, add layouts and visuals automatically. You don't need to design anything manually. Everything is generated for you. Let's look at what Gamma AI creates for your topic. Slide 1. Title slide. Impact of climate change on water resources. Slide 2. Introduction. What climate change is. Importance of water resources. Slide 3. Causes. Greenhouse gas emissions, global warming, human activities. Slide 4. Effects on water resources. Droughts, floods, glacier melting. Slide 5. Water quality issues. Pollution, contamination. Slide 6. Case studies. Real-world examples. Slide 7. Solutions. Water conservation methods. Sustainable management. Slide 8. Conclusion. Summary of key findings. Everything is already structured for a research presentation. Now you can customize everything, edit text easily, add or remove points, change layout and colors, replace or adjust images. If you want a simpler version, just click on the text and rewrite it in your own words. Gamma AI also adds visuals automatically, but you can improve them further. Add charts and graphs, insert icons, use better images. For research presentations, visuals are more powerful than long text. When your presentation is ready, click on Export or Download. You can save it as a PowerPoint or a PDF file. Now your full presentation is ready to use. When presenting, don't read slides directly. Explain in your own words, maintain confidence, and keep it simple and clear. Remember,
AI creates the slides, but you deliver the presentation.
So now you know exactly how to create a complete research presentation using AI tools, from opening your browser to delivering a professional presentation. If you follow this system, you'll save time, reduce stress, and get better results. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.